Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this cute little cigarette. For this, we are using 4 colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter and a needle. We also want some stuffings. The cigarette looks so cute and beautiful and it is very easy to do. It is a beginner friendly project. You can use your scrap yarns to do this cute little keychain. First we will do the bottom part, then the body part and then the top part. To do this cute little cigarette keychain, we want to know the basic stitches like magic circle, chain, single crochet and slip stitch. So now let's see how to do this beautiful cigarette. Start with magic circle. Chain 1, yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as magic circle and chain. Next we are going to work inside the magic circle. We are going to do 8 single crochet inside the circle. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Likewise you are going to do single crochet inside this magic circle for 7 stitches. Totally you should have 8 single crochet. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So this is what we say it as single crochet. You can pull this yarn to adjust the circle. After doing 8 single crochet inside the circle, it looks like this. Next you can pull this yarn to close the circle and finish this round by doing a slip stitch in this first single crochet. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. So now we have completed the first round. For next round, do chain 1. For this round, you are going to work in the back loop. So if you see here in this chain, there are 2 loops. This will be the front loop and this is the back loop. For this round, we will be working only on the back loops. So you are going to take the back loop and you are going to do single crochet. So you will place a stitch marker in this single crochet. Next stitch single crochet by taking the back loops. Next stitch single crochet by taking the back loops. Likewise, you will be doing single crochet in each stitch only in the back loops till you reach the stitch marker. After doing single crochet in each stitch in the back loops, it looks like this. Next, you are going to finish this round using a slip stitch. It looks like this. For next round, do chain 1, do single crochet in the same stitch. For this round, you will be taking both the loops together. So place the stitch marker in the first single crochet. Here onwards, we will be working on both the loops. We will be doing single crochet in each stitch for 8 stitches. So likewise, we will be doing single crochet in each stitch till you reach the stitch marker. After doing single crochet in each stitch, it looks like this. Next, you are going to do single crochet in the stitch where we place the stitch marker. We are not going to finish this round using slip stitch. Instead, we are going to work in rounds. So, we are going to do a single crochet in the stitch where we place the stitch marker. So this single crochet will be the first stitch of the next round. So by following the same pattern of doing single crochet in each stitch for 8 stitches, we are going to do for 3 more rounds. Each round there will be 8 single crochet stitches. We will be working in rounds. We are not finishing each round using slip stitch. After doing them, it looks like this. This will be the base of the cigarette which we are doing. Next, you can make some filling inside this. So after doing them, it looks like this. For next round, you are going to change the color. So we will not finish this last single crochet using the same stitch. Instead, we will be finishing them using the color which you want to change. So we'll take this white color, place it on the hook and pull through. So next stitch we'll be doing a single crochet. So this single crochet stitch we are starting a new row. Place the stitch marker in the first single crochet. Next you can snip off this brown color. So using this white color, you will follow the same pattern of doing single crochet in each stitch for 8 stitches and we will be working in rounds. We are not going to finish using slip stitch. We have to do them for 10 more rows. So now we can make some filling for this base. Now we have done the fillings. Next we are going to continue to work in rounds, and in middle you can make little bit of fillings while working in rounds. We have completed the body part. Next we are going to change the color. So we will not complete the double crochet with the same color. So we will complete the double crochet using the color which you want to change. So we are going to take the black color, pull through. Next stitch you are going to do a single crochet. Next you can snip off this white color yarn. So you are going to follow the same pattern of doing single crochet in each stitch for 8 stitches using this black color. After doing them, it looks like this. Next we are going to change the color. So we are not going to complete the last single crochet using the same color. Instead we will take the other color which you want to change and finish the single crochet. So next stitch you are going to do single crochet using this red color. We will do them for one more round. We will follow the same pattern of doing single crochet in each stitch around using the red color. You can snip off this black color. After doing them, it looks like this. You can finish it off using a slip stitch. Extend a yarn little bit for weaving and snip off this yarn. So after doing them, it looks like this. You are going to do some fillings. After doing the fillings, it looks like this. Next you are going to close this hole by weaving them. After weaving the ends, the cigarette looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.